Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In today's video, we will learn on how to disable OneDrive. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now let's get started. First, go to your taskbar. Generally, your OneDrive icon should be here. If you can't find it here, simply tap on this up arrow. And here it is, open it. Then tap on the setting icon which is on the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now here under this account section, tap on unlink this PC. Now to disable OneDrive, all you gotta do is tap on this unlink account. And guys, there you have it. We have successfully disabled OneDrive. Now our files will stop syncing to OneDrive. If you want to enable OneDrive again, go ahead and tap on the sign in button. And that's it. It was this simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from our channel, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.